Good morning. It's 6:13 in the morning and today is our fourth day in Sapporo. And get ready with me. Guys, may snow na. Siguro lalakas pa yan mamaya. Magbibihis lang ako, guys. Hi loves, nandito na kami sa Miyanosawa. I made a mistake, guys. I thought the chocolate factory is in Otaru. Wala pala, nandito pala sa Miyanosawa. Gosh, kaya pala last time nung nandun kami, sinesearch namin yung chocolate factory. Iba yung lumalabas. Dinala kami sa Litao. Hindi pala dun. Dito pala. Tapos yun. And I noticed, guys, that Japanese people are not very talkative, especially sa public places like sa train. Yung mga Japanese doon natutulog lang. Natutulog lang, nagbabasa ng books, mga ganon. Wala lang. Makikita mo talaga yung difference ng Japanese sa mga Filipinos. Lalo na nung nasa kami, Odori Station, nung pababa kami kasi papasok na kami ng train. Pagbaba namin, nagulat ako, parang zombie apocalypse sa sobrang dami ng tao. Dikit-dikit sila pero wala kang maririnig na ingay. Ganun sila katahimik, guys. Parang nakakahiya kapag nagsalita ka or may kinakausap ka sa lugar na yun. By the way, guys, ito pala yung view ko ngayon. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng oras kasi 9 o'clock pa yung 9:30 pa mag-open yung chocolate factory. And it's currently 9:18. So yun. It's umaraw pero yung temperature ngayon is 0 degree and it feels like -2 degree. Grabe. Sobrang lamig yung kamay ko namumula na, tapos parang maliligas. So, meron ako ditong guys, gloves. Ayoko lang suotin pag nagsa-cellphone ako kasi super duper hirap mag-cellphone. Kaya yun, tiis na lang. That's cool.
そうか、水と油は混ざりにくい。カカオ豆にはココアバターが入っている。
Look at that. Diyan nila ginagawa yung chocolates. Yeah, I got it. Wow, how cutie! $18 Shirai Kuibito can. Sis. So cool. Dito tayo bibili ng chocolates. So cute! Yung cats! Restaurant pala dito guys. Dine-in. I don't know where to buy chocolates eh. Kung dito ba or meron pang mapagbibilhan. Chocolate creates the magic of happiness! Gramophone theater. Chocolate factory. Look at that. This is where you buy chocolates. Look at that. Babalik kami ulit guys. Pumasok kami ulit to eat lunch. It's already 11:11. Lunchtime na. Lamig sa labas. Super talaga. Let's eat. Chocolate Factory guys, and explain lang doon kung sino nakadiscover ng chocolate, kung paano nagawa, kung sino-sino sila, tsaka yung kung anong year na-discover, ganun. Pabalik kami sa hotel. We're here! Clock Tower! Dito na kami guys. Hindi ko na naman natapos yung video. Kasi pagod na naman. Pumunta kami sa Shirai Kuibito Park para makita yung Chocolate Factory. And then, umuwi kami. Kumain lang tapos umuwi. Tapos, pumunta din kami is the clock tower, and next is Hokkaido University. Tapos yun, nag-ikot-ikot na lang kami sa Don Quixote. That's it for today's vlog. Good night, everyone. By the way, guys, sorry talaga kung tawag dito, putol-putol yung mga videos. Hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit ganun, na naputol-putol, nawawala yung ibang clips. Ay, naku, pasensya na. I'll do better next time. Bye, loves.